it just me or am I fidget obsessed? I'm gonna be showing y'all my top 10 favorite fidgets. Of course, so 10th is my least favorite and first is my first favorite, of course. So I'm gonna be starting at 10th and then working my way to my favorite. So my 10th favorite, squishies, but in particularly this boba. This is number 10. This one is number 9. It's Mickey Mouse, but it's an ice cream sandwich. I love it. 9. Then this narwhal that glows up is 8. Do I have to? Okay. 8. Oh gosh, that hurts my eye. 7. 5. So, infinity cube, bike chain. Jacob's ladder is 4. I don't know why, but it just is. Mini Poppet, 3. I love these. Gulabi, this doesn't break. Gulabies, 2. And of course, my first favorite is this. I hope you guys like this pretty short video, which is my first video of doing something. So please subscribe and like. Bye.